Hi guys, lightning's not the best in this garage, but let me see if I can show you what I'm going up against. This is an L300 Mitsubishi with a Frankia camper on top, made in Germany in about '86. So right now what I've managed to do is a bit of tear down. Took off the top sheet of metal and just moved it sideways so I can have some room to move. There were some problems, let's say, looking to be like this. Big infiltration at the very top that happened in the past. And there is a plaque here, or a big board of wood. Need to replace that, need to rebuild the back frame. In the front it looks much better, so there I'll have to replace everything that holds the bed, but the rest of it is looking quite fresh, quite good. Now from the front to the back, I will have to revisit each section and see what exactly has to be done. My question here with this old lady and ask of help, let's say, would be if you guys have been through this and can recommend materials to be used, working order to be done, and pretty much any kind of advice. I'll try to do this more often. I haven't managed to do videos while working on it. Don't have a stand for the phone, but I'll get one. And while fixing it, I'll also try to, let's say, document and see if that helps anybody else. But for now, I'm waiting on any kind of feedback, advices, past projects that you've did. Let me know in the comments, please, and all much appreciated. Thank you. Till next time.